What's up, guys? This is a 1991 Chevrolet Corvette in really nice shape. But if you have one of these or a similar car and you're noticing that it's idling abnormally high and that it's kind of sputtering at low idle, it won't stay idling cleanly, basically, check the idle air control valve. Make sure that it is in good condition. Make sure it is properly connected. You might need to replace that, but yeah, that's the first thing to check, is your idle air control valve. And also the tachometer is sometimes misleading on these models, where it's reading lower or it's reading higher than it actually is. Like this one would show that it's idling at 1200, where we took our computer and plugged up to it and it was actually idling correctly around 720. So so don't be too misled by the reading you see on the dash. Anyway, so check that out. We got tons of videos on our channel, and if our video helped you out, make sure you click the thanks donation button under the video screen. We really appreciate it. Y'all have a great day.